Today, I would like to explain what is marketing and how it is related to digital graphic designing. Welcome to my YouTube channel JSQ. Digital marketing versus graphic designing. How graphic design is closely related to digital marketing. The digital marketing is not just to create the graphic designs and flyers and publish in social media or in other online media spaces. There is a confusion is going on in the market that people are sometimes thinking that creating some designs about the product and services and just to post and publish in social media platforms, that is marketing or online marketing. In fact, it is not marketing, it is a part of marketing job. And digital marketing designs is very important. Designs are important. Good designs and presentations are important in digital marketing, but it is only an option, or we can say it as a tool to do the online marketing, just to support online marketing concepts. What is marketing? Marketing is actually it's a process or method, or it can be defined as a set of different activities to promote a brand. It can be a business, it can be a personal information, or anything which is promoting, which needs to be promote online. That is marketing. In modern marketing concepts are based on customers. The central part of the modern marketing is customers and their need, and the profits are based on how we can satisfy customers need. In general, the marketing process is focusing how we can satisfy the customers. In other words, what is graphic designing? Graphic designing is to create digital graphic designs, attractive designs in designing software, as we all know, like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and now there are a lot of ready template design softwares are available, template generator. But anybody can learn graphic designing. Anybody can learn the tools of the graphic designing, but the graphic designer should have a good color sense, a talent, ideas, and creativity. All these qualities required for a graphic design. Then only he will be a success. Many students are coming for graphic designing job, but they have to think that they really have the talent on them to make creative and attractive graphic designs to attract the people. The designers should have a talent in designing and the color sense and the ability to create innovative designs to attract viewers. But anybody can learn and start making their graphic templates, but that will not be attractive and competitive for marketing job. So this is graphic designing. The marketing process, it includes starting from product planning. We need to plan the product. What is the product we need to sell? What is the service we need to sell in the market? Depends on the requirement of the public, requirement of the customers. And pricing is very important because competition basis, there are a lot of competitions going on. Maybe the similar item or same items is already in the market, so we need to think about the cost pricing. And certainly we have to do promotions and advertisements like we are doing in offline promotions, online marketing, offline marketing. We have to do promotion and advertisements in online marketing also, and warehousing and middlemen, warehousing, sellers, wholesale sellers, retailers, logistics, all these things included in the marketing. So it's a complete process. We know that businessman produces goods and services for our use. They want to sell the goods to the public. They are not necessarily produced all the places where they are consumed or used. Sometimes it's a big country. It will produce in one side of the one part of the country. They have to move. They have to sell to the other part of the country also. Then only they can make profit. So warehousing and logistics is important. Even in the villages nowadays, you can find the products manufactured from all over India, and even from other countries also, from China, from Japan, from USA, many places. They are manufacturing there only, but we can available in our places. That is a part of marketing. They are marketing all over the world. This implies that manufacturers must be making efforts to ensure that their products are in demand and reach the ultimate consumers all over the world, all over the globe. This is very important. This is a part of marketing job. The American Marketing Association, they are explaining that marketing is an organizational function. It's a function and it set of process of creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customer relationship in ways that benefit the organization and its stakeholders. So from this definition, we should understand that it's an organization function. There are set of process and methods is involved in that one for what to create marketing strategies, online digital marketing strategies. We need to communicate with them. Now the online platforms, through the online platform, we can communicate with the customers and we can deliver the best value by moving the items from one place to another place. And the most important thing, customer relationship. CRM is very important. Customer relationship management is very important in modern marketing. That also we can do through online facilities. Traditional concept of marketing is focusing before only on the product. They want to sell it out. They're concentrating only on the sales only. They are on the sales because competition is less and it ends profits through maximization of sale. They want to sell more quantity and take the benefit. But in modern concept of marketing, it is focusing on the customer's need, what they want, on their daily life, what they want for their comfort, for their requirement, for their entertainment. There are so many factors are coming. It is coordinated with marketing efforts. It's coordinated with marketing efforts, different type of marketing efforts we need to do, and it ends with profit through customer satisfaction. The profit through customer satisfaction. The customer is happy with that. Customer is happy with that brand. They will come again and buy it. And it is ending with customer satisfaction. Offline marketing and online marketing or digital marketing, all in short, aiming to reach out the customers wherever they are. Now, the usage of internet is very high now. In GCC countries, 95% of people are using internet. They are searching products in the internet. They are evaluating social media platforms. They are searching products and services in Google and Bing and other Yahoo and other search engines. So they are most of the time they are online. So we have to be there in online. So for a marketing person, marketing companies, they have to be online. Now the major number of customers are online. That's the importance of digital or online marketing is improving day by day. Digital marketing, all the traditional marketing concepts can be done in digital marketing also. Whatever the traditional concepts of or doing digital marketing, we can do the same thing in digital marketing also by making flyers, giving advertisements, promotions. All this we can do in digital marketing also. Digital marketing can be paid advertisement promotion online to reach the details and availability of products and services to the customers searching online beyond the boundaries. Online is beyond marketing. Online online searching and online advertisements, online platforms are not only for marketing. The online innovations are not only for marketing tools, but it can be also for digital journalism. Online newspapers are now, most of the major newspapers are already in online, and OTT platforms for entertainment, Amazon.com. There are so many other things is coming now. Cloud-based information, online learning platforms, all need to be learned by everyone. Now this online world, the world of online, people has to understand the importance of online. How to use online websites for making transactions, even for our electricity bill, water bill, and taxes we can pay online. We can make online transactions, banking transactions, how we can do the transactions securely and safely. Since we are in the digital world, all these to be known for everyone. So for every person, Online learning, how to use the basic things of online usage, of how we use the online marketing, online transactions, online learning, online reading, everything we have to understand how we can do it safely and securely. So digital world invites everyone to learn. Digital platform